What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is time to take the E36 out for yet another drift event. Unfortunately, last 2 days I was working on my S13 and unfortunately we were not able to get that ready to drift. So we brought out Old Faithful, my stock powered E36 that I've had forever. This is probably its 16th, 17th event and it is still going strong. We just got done doing a handful of laps out on the track. It's going to be a rainy weekend this weekend, so it should be a lot of fun. The competition I'm doing, the series, is Pro-Am or Lone Star Drift normal series. They're not sanctioned by FD anymore. So it is going up against guys with 600 horsepower. And so we have 191. It's going to be fun tomorrow. Let's go ahead. We're going to throw on the GoPro on the helmet and he's going to get some inside shots. Let's have a fun time. Alrighty, we're about to go do some laps. See if we can get some light tandems in. There's a lot of cars on track and they're running a hot lap setup, so we'll see how that goes. How nice it is just to turn lap after lap in a bone stock E36, or at least a stock powered. The M52 motor just goes all day long. Feels so good to get back in it. It's stock powered, but it's raining out here. It's a small track, so it is perfect. watching this event. On both sides, there's people watching the drifting, which is super cool because normally we're at a track or tucked back somewhere. This is a main road right here, and right there is a highway. So you can see it. All right, we made it out here to day 2 of Lone Star Drift. And what I have in my hand is my hydraulic brake line that goes to the rear calipers on this E36. Unfortunately, I think I have a hole in one of these. Either that or my caliper is leaking, because yesterday after we turned so many laps, I went to pull the hydro and it just went soft on me. However, if I pull it really quick, it'll work, but if I pull real slow, it doesn't work. So that's kind of 50-50 right now. Competition starts later in the afternoon, so that should be a lot of fun. I'm hoping that I can get the hydro working 100% again. I don't think I'll be able to, so we might have to just kind of work with what we have and just try our best. Without further ado, we're gonna get this back in the car and we're gonna go turn some laps. Let's do comp run. Should be fun. Going up against a LS S13. Wish me luck.
Much about these two guys, but I know that Tyler Staub drives the S13 and Jonathan Pride is in the BMW. Let's see what they got. Yeehaw! That was an awesome quick, like, faint entry from the BMW. Staying right on his door. Really good. Oh man, awesome. Let's go! Tyler Staub was all over him. That was great. Alright, they're going to switch it up. Tyler Staub up front. I think this car may be considerably faster than the BMW. Yep, he's going to pull away from big in the straight. Big entry. All an ass in the sweeper. Oh, big understeer from the Jonathan Pride. Stop is moving along through that course.
Alrighty, that's going to wrap up the event. We turned over lap after lap. Even Andy got a few laps in as well. For the comp run, I did what I told myself not to do, which is on my chase run, was to get the RPM so high up in second gear that I ran out from my clutch kick. So that happened. It's not like I really had a shot, but I was trying not to make myself look too dumb. And also my hydro going out didn't help. That's alright. We had a lot of fun out at this event. Can't wait for the next one. We got to fix my S13. That way we can get out and be really competitive, but also have a good time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys next video.